dick. Fuck what, trader dick. Little dicky trader dick. Little micro trader dick.
Hey, this is the perfect example of why I say we should fucking repeal the 19th Amendment right there. That is the reason, ladies and gentlemen. That is the reason. It sucks for all you based fucking awesome conservative women, but yeah. Even the reporter's like, get the fuck out of there. Oh yeah, the reporter fucking hit her. Woo, buddy. Let's go. Let's fucking go.
Don't fucking touch me, you stupid bitch! Don't touch me! Don't put your fucking hands on me, you cat woman! Don't fucking touch! Touch, you will fuck around and find out! Say whatever you want, you put your hands on it, I will fucking flatten you! I will flatten you!
You're a faggot. He's a faggot.
Motherfucker! All Americans. All Americans.
Oh, I would be going to jail, teacher.
I really question that sometimes.
All right, everybody repost this live stream right now. There's fucking 500 of us in here. Let's go. More people need to be seeing what the left is up to right now.
This is the left. This is the
left. Absolutely.
You're for attention. Leave right now, and I'm talking to you. If you're here for attention, you should go. I am here for attention. I know. And you're giving it to me. So get the fuck out.